U.S. Election 2024. Fire sale of Trump's assets is possible. Donald Trump's appeal of the $454 million civil fraud verdict against him may involve a fire sale of his assets. Trump threatened in a Tuesday Truth Social post that he would be forced to mortgage or sell great assets, perhaps at fire sale rates if he chooses to challenge the ruling in the lawsuit brought against him by New York Attorney General Letitia James. The prosecution contended that he had lied to financial institutions and insurers about his wealth in order to secure loans and close deals. Judge Arthur Engoron issued a judgment order on February 16. Trump and his team have already indicated their intention to appeal. The ex-president must put the whole amount, including interest, into a court account in order to prevent the state from collecting the decision while he challenges it in court. Trump has found that to be difficult, as his legal bills are piling up as he defends himself in the numerous civil and criminal lawsuits filed against him. After contacting 30 underwriters, Trump's lawyers were unable to secure an insurance company willing to underwrite a bond large enough to pay the judgment against him. According to Monday's testimony in a New York appeals court, very few bonding businesses will even consider a bond of this kind, as the total sum of the judgment plus interest exceeds $464 million, Trump's legal team said. Included in the $464 million total is the disgorgement for his sons, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, who were both named as defendants in James' fraud complaint. Underwriters are looking for cash, not assets, according to Trump's team. To get the money he needs to locate an underwriter, Trump would have to sell or mortgage his real estate portfolio. The attorneys for Trump claim that the worth of Trump's assets is more than the $450 million judgment and urge the Court of Appeals to postpone the posting of the bond until the outcome of Trump's appeal. The deadline for the bond is at the month's end. Trying to take my appellate rights away from me was Trump's accusation of Judge Engoron in his Tuesday tirade against the judge. Nobody has ever heard of anything like this before, he wrote on Truth Social. If I were to lose the appeal, I would have no choice except to sell or mortgage my great assets, possibly at fire sale prices, and then none of them would remain. Would you agree with that? Haunted House Hunt. Election meddling. The corrupt judge and attorney general should not have forced me to put up any money until the appeal is over, he stated in another post. Yes, that is how the system operates. Affidavit signed by insurance broker Gary Giulietti, who was a witness for Trump in the fraud trial, stated that none of the major underwriters would be willing to accept real estate as collateral, making it a practical impossibility for the ex-president to secure the bond. According to Giulietti's affidavit, underwriters are often not allowed to get bonds for more than $100 million due to various corporate restrictions. He estimated that Trump would require more than $550 million after fees and interest.